1934 coupe. Small block 350 Chevy engine. That thing's just beautiful. Mustang. This one I think I saw at the library. 63 Impala. Seems better now being there's not many vehicles here. This 1949 Chevrolet pickup truck with the original 6-cylinder. Got a 4-speed or 3-speed. This is a barn find, totally unrestored. And speaking of 6-cylinders, that's what this 57 Chevy has under it. So Chevrolet, like this too, is unrestored. Wow. I like the mag wheels though. But in overall condition, the car is just really nicely kept. 6-cylinder engine is totally original. And cleaned and, etc. It's not really modified with that. It's just beautiful. 71 Z28 Camaro. Looks like you got some mag wheels on it. Two Bel Air. So, this is going to start up. Impala. It's a nice Chevy pickup. C10, he won an award. Two really nice Chevys. '66 Chevrolet, '65 Chevrolet. C10. Oh, I love the color scheme there. I think it's 71's green too. They're both nice trucks. Got a clutch. First one up there. Well, yeah, too much traffic there. It's a Weston Road, but it looks more like Main Street right now. Sounds as good as it looks.